If you're looking for powerful trading tools and strategies to improve your trades, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, I'll be sharing one of the best binary options indicators that helps you find perfect trade entries. This indicator continuously analyzes price movements and provides accurate buy-sell signals using clear up and down arrows. It's designed to catch fast and profitable market movements with high precision. But the big question is, does it really work? Stick around till the end to find out. For today's session, I'll use the MT4 platform to get indicator signals and the IQ option platform to place trades. If you're interested in trying these platforms, you can find the links in the video description. Before we start, here's a quick reminder. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Trade responsibly, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Trading rules for this indicator. To make buy trades, look for an upward arrow on the chart. Ensure the price touches the lower band line before the signal appears. Confirm the StochFlet indicator shows a green line. If all conditions match, place a buy trade on the next candle. To make sell trades, wait for a downward arrow on the chart. Verify the price touches the upper band line before the signal appears. Check that the StochFlet indicator shows a red line. If conditions are met, place a sell trade on the next candle. Time frame. Use a 1-minute chart with a 5-minute trade expiry. Avoid trading during news releases, as they cause market volatility. Best trading sessions. European and New York sessions for more accurate signals. Now that you know the rules, it's time to put this indicator to the test. Watch closely as I trade live and see how well this tool performs. Take notes so you can apply these strategies in your own trades. If you're excited to try this indicator, you can get it from my Telegram channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new trading tools and strategies. All right, let's jump into live trading and see the results. This is a perfect buy trade setup based on our strategy. Why? Because a buy arrow has appeared on the chart. The price touched the lower band line. The StochFlet indicator shows a green line. Remember, before using real money, always test strategies on a demo account to build confidence. Practice first, then trade live. Now, we just have to wait for the trade to finish and see the result. While we wait, let me remind you, trading requires patience and discipline. Stick to the rules. Don't rush into trades. Always wait for the right setup. We won this trade. This shows that following the strategy and waiting for the perfect setup can lead to success. But remember, consistency is key. Now, let's be patient and wait for the next ideal trade setup following the same rules. We found the perfect sell trade setup based on our strategy. Why is this a great setup? A sell arrow has appeared on the chart. The price touched the upper band line. The StochFlet indicator shows a red line. Now all we need to do is wait for the trade to finish and see the outcome. A quick reminder while we wait. Stick to the rules. Only enter trades when all conditions are met. No strategy wins 100% of the time, but following the rules increases success. Now let's see how this trade plays out. We won this trade. This proves once again that patience and following the strategy pay off. But remember, trading is a game of consistency, not luck. Now let's be disciplined and wait for the next perfect trade setup. We've got a perfect buy trade setup. Why is this a great setup? A buy arrow has appeared on the chart. The price touched the lower band line. The StochFlet indicator shows a green line. This means all conditions are met, and we have a high probability trade. Binary trading is risky, so always use a proper money management plan. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Smart risk management equals long-term success. Now, let's wait for the trade to finish and see the result. While we wait, here are some key trading tips. Stick to the rules. Never enter a trade without confirmation. Patience is key. Not every candle is a trade opportunity. Protect your capital. Never overtrade or take unnecessary risks. Great traders know that discipline is what makes the difference. We lost this trade, but that's okay. Losses are a natural part of trading, and even the best strategies won't win 100% of the time. What matters is how we manage losses, learn from them, and stay consistent. What did we learn today? Stick to the strategy, even when trades don't go our way. Risk management is key. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Losses happen, but discipline and patience lead to long-term success. Remember, the market doesn't guarantee wins, but a solid strategy and proper risk management help us stay ahead in the long run. Want to improve your trading skills? Stay tuned for more strategies, tools, and live trading sessions. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more trading strategies. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below. Share your thoughts or ask any questions. I'd love to hear from you. That's it for today, traders. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!